A federal court has ordered Lorillard, Altria, Philip Morris USA, and RJ Reynolds Tobacco to make this statement about the health effects of secondhand smoke. Secondhand smoke kills over 38,000 Americans each year. Secondhand smoke causes lung cancer and coronary heart disease in adults who do not smoke. Children exposed to secondhand smoke are at an increased risk for sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, acute respiratory infections, ear problems, severe asthma, and reduced lung function. There is no safe level of exposure to secondhand smoke.